almost planting time. Got the planter in and get her all hooked up and checked over. Not a lot to do to it this year because I did a lot to it last year. A lot of new iron and stuff. And so I added the drag chains last year. I've had the spike closing wheels for a while. But one thing is this, you can see a drip out of the breather. The single acting lift cylinder has got an internal leak. And so occasionally get a squirt of oil out that breather. I've got a seal kit to replace that. So while the safety locks are still in, before I do anything else, I'm going to get that out of there while there's no pressure against it and get that cylinder rebuilt. They don't give oil away these days. Pretty simple. Disconnect the hose, disconnect the pins, and I'll cap off the hose. And we'll take her over to the workbench, get going. You can see it's wet around that breather. This is basically a two-way cylinder, but they just put a breather into one end, make it into a single acting cylinder. Push it back in. And I missed the bucket. Get the oil out of it. No two cylinders are the same. Looks like it's got a lock ring. And then I guess I probably have to push the head back in to get a snap ring out. Then I can pull it out. Let's find out. There's this purple everywhere. I'll get that back on there so I don't booger up the threads. Well, that didn't knock back too hard. There, I can see the snap ring. Did I bring a pick with me? No. But the upside of it leaking all this time is everything's lubricated and there's no rust. There. Hey. Whew. Just needed a big enough tool for the job. No, you're not supposed to turn that way. Oh, let's see, get this U-cup seal in there. This one's thin enough. I don't have to wrestle it. They can be pretty stubborn, the thicker, heavier ones. That one's in. Dirt wiper. Might have to get a driver. Oh, just a little too big. There. I had a chamfer on it, but that chamfer still had a bit of an edge. So now let's try it. There, that helped. So just need to get this seal walked over. Oop. There's the first part. And well, you can. There's a couple of lips on that seal, and they're worn down pretty good on the other one. I can see why I'm getting a little oil past. There we go. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, so we got that. Okay. Clean up the entryway to this barrel a little bit so everything goes in. No seal pieces. That's always a good thing. Well, let's put some air to it. See if it leaks. Seems to be good. Can I blow back through the breather? I can. I didn't think enough air would get through there to do that. All right, ready to go back on the planter. Ta-da! Yeah, now we can hook the hydraulics up. Yeah, let's recalibrate the monitor. Because I put new batteries in the tractor last fall, so it's got to, let's see, set. Yep. So, digits set. And boom. Number of rows. We probably want, 6 rows. 6. Row spacing. Oh. 30-inch rows. Oops. Let's see, rows, number of rows, speed set. We've got that. Boom. No GPS required. So I guess now I'll fire it up and lift it up. Make sure I've got the hydraulics hooked up right and that seal or cylinder doesn't leak. And I think she's ready to go plant. Granted, we've got a few days yet. It's only April 12th today. squirting out. Cycle it a couple times to get all the air out of that cylinder. Cool beans. I power the blower on my planter with the power beyond from the tractor. Turn that on. Disconnect maybe the end units, crank the fan up in case there's any mouse nest or anything in there. It wouldn't be the first time. Blow the dust out.